Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg. Thanks for being here, and in today's video I'm going to review PLR MOJO. This is a software that is one click and then you are able to create PLR affiliate websites in about 30 seconds. I have members area access. This is the dashboard right here. We're going to look at it. We're going to see how it can help you in your affiliate marketing journey. Also, we're going to look at their bonuses, my awesome bonuses, including my 225 mega bonus bundle, and learn which upsells are fit for you. So with that being said, I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, guys. So PLR MOJO, I first want to take you to my bonus page here, and we're going to learn more about PLR MOJO and how it can help you. Now, this is going live on November 5th. It is being launched by Art Flair, Team Black Belt, and Palab Gosal. It goes live on 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time with a front end of $17, but that price will go up. It is a dime sale, which we will look at in just a moment. Okay, so get your piece of the $95 billion per year PLR industry. PLRs, for those of you that don't know, private label rights. So you can use these as bonuses, as lead magnets, but you can also attach your affiliate link to these. And when people purchase them on some of these sites, you will actually make money as well. Click one button to automatically add your affiliate link to 50,000 plus PLR assets like courses, articles, audio content, eBooks, training, video, software, scripts, themes, plugins, and more. All right, before we get into the PLR demo, I just want to take you and we're going to learn more about what the front end has to offer. So basically, it is a one-click app that I just told you can create your links with 50,000 plus sites in 30 seconds. This is the price. So let me take you guys to the demo. It's only a minute and 51, and then we will look at my bonuses, and then we'll get into the members area. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, there you go. You got to see just what PLR MOJO can do. It's really, really easy. As you could see, everything is basically one click and then you are ready to go. I want to take you now, guys, to my bonuses and how I was trying to think of ways that you can also make money through different methods, kind of not just the same thing. So my first one that I want to give you guys is my own product. It is Testorama. You can make $10 in 10 minutes over and over. One of the easiest ways on the internet to make money online. This is very straightforward, and you can start earning money right away. Basically, once you look at the training in the members area, you can start making money right away. This is another one. This is given by one of my mentors, Team Alpha. This is Bill Ang. This is Saurabh Gopal and Sid Red. TweetX. This is a way to really get your links out there, your product, your campaigns out there on Twitter. And it works. It's a Google extension. Very, very simple. And the training is in here. Very, very powerful. And this is a way that you can also get more traffic. This is a tag team system using Instagram alongside with Pinterest. And it's really a tag team, basically a really powerful way that you can get loads of traffic. This one is also a huge traffic platform. This is harnessing the power of TikTok. You're gonna get the front end, OTO 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're really gonna be able to crush it with your anything, your campaign, your links, your product, whatever you want on TikTok, you can crush it on there. Finally, guys, my mega bonus bundle, 225 bonuses for you, absolutely free.
No way!
That's right. And of course, the vendor bonuses, guys. So to get these bonuses, you're gonna click on any of these yellow tabs here. It's gonna take you to the sales page. Unfortunately, the sales page is not up for PLR Mojo at the moment. I can't show you it, but when you would just click on one of the tabs that will say access your product here, access PLR Mojo here, and then it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. Now if you click on the blue button like this in Warrior Plus, it's going to take you to this page here. This is where you're going to get all of my bonuses and the vendor bonuses. So you're going to get all of them here. And my mega bonus bundle, you're going to see that there are just heaps of value and good stuff here for you guys. So you've got all kinds of things. You've got organic traffic, you've got paid traffic, you've got Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, you've got other ones, you've got CPA, you've got blogging, keyword finder, keyword generator, SEO, branding, real estate, WordPress, and it just goes on and on and on. And if I take you to the vendor bonuses, okay. So here they are, guys. You're going to get Mastery, these ones, Facebots, Clicker, Skilled. All of these here, guys, are going to be yours as well. So you can just, you're going to get loads of value here. I don't know why that didn't work. Let me fix that. Okay. Nope. No problem. That'll be ready to go when this, after I do this. I'm going to fix that right away. Okay. So loads of that. Now let me take you to the members area here. So welcome to the admin panel. So we've got content, we've got menus, categories, pages, all this stuff, countries, coupons, custom fields, frequently asked questions. So we can put all of this in there. If I just click on menu, that is where you're going to log in. Okay, I'm already logged in. Pages, it's just going to show you. So welcome to our site, about us. So you can see it's just going to, so we're in Canada, UK, Afghanistan, so it's got all, basically every country in the world here, all right? Coupons, comments. Okay, let me go skip down to users. Ashkat Gupa, okay, so he's got one here. And now you can put a new user in here. Products. So these are all the products. Now you can add new products as you go along as well. They're going to show you in the training how you're able to do that. So you can just go all the way down here and you can have unlimited products. Your files. You can upload new files here. You've got your current files already in here and they're going to show you how you can do that. Your transactions. So you've got, you could see, let's see, new transaction. So you've got the different payment methods here, Webmaster. So you got the product, the gateway name. So you've got different methods. You got Skrill, Stripe, Pay Fast, Ideal, and send email notification, yes or no. So you can kind of automate this as as of course you want to do. So when you are actually getting a lot of traffic, it's all going to be automated. All right. Configuration, so you got your settings, your language, your backup, and your maintenance. All right, so you can have your website name, company name, install, company email, your company logo, print logo, long date, short date. You can modify all of this how you want it to look. Okay, you can even have your maintenance mode message, and you can update the configuration right there. Your language, you got to see that it was English and French in here before in the demo video. Your backup, so your database maintenance and your maintenance. So there you go. And of course, guys, there's going to be training in here as well. Okay, so PLR is going to be doing all the training for you. Hey guys, I got the sales page up, so I'm just going to quickly run you through it. Now, most of this information is already on my bonus page, which will be down in the description below. Now, you just click on this kind of aqua color to take you over to Warrior Plus, where you'll be able to get all my bonuses and actually pick up PLR Mojo. So guys, very easy, one click, log in, add your name and niche, and then you can download unlimited PLR products. So some of these PLR websites, you have to pay quite a bit for their annual fees. Here are some right here. So with PLR Mojo, now you can start creating top quality, self-updating PLR sites. Self-updating, okay? Loaded with super hot products in 20 most profitable niches. So here are some of the niches here. You're gonna get PLR books, articles, graphics, training, emails, all this stuff down here. Oh, here are the evergreen niches. Demo video is here, but it's also going to be in my bonus page as well. Also guys, there's going to be, for the first 250 buyers, also get a free white label license worth $3,000. So if it pays to be a little early if you want to grab PLR Mojo. And here are some of the benefits. Here we go. So the price is a one-time, no annual fees like this. User interface, lifetime updates, free hosting, dedicated support, extra bonuses, monthly fee, full money back guarantee. So yes, 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 yes to all of these, okay? So here is for the first 250 buyers, you're gonna get this right here. I'll let you look at that on your own time. And we have some bonuses. We have the done for you. We have the simple sales copy software, Snap Video Pro software, make $200 a day with video, and YouTube saturation video creation scientist, freelance expert, content curation mistakes. So a value of over $16,000. That's not even including what I am throwing in there as well. These are the creators: Art Flair, PLR Procel. All right, now we're gonna take you to the price and the upsells on here. So let's take a look at which ones we think are going to be good for you. So the front end, you're going to get your very own PLR site preloaded with millions plus PLRs in 50 plus niches. Stop paying PLR sites every month. Done for you PLR business in a box. See all the various PLR products like eBooks and everything. The training is in there. 365-day money-back guarantee, so you can play around with this for a whole year. Plus all of my mega bonus bundles and my other ones, my exclusive ones that I'm offering. PLR Mojo Unlimited, so everything, watermarks removed, unlimited reseller. Yes, 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 yes. This is what you want, okay? You want the governors taken off on everything. You can just have massive content, massive value for your audience. I strongly recommend, if you want to get this, get the OTO 1. Done for you campaigns at 47, so ready to sell websites, evergreen affiliate campaigns, automated campaigns, CPA, social media, email. I'll let you decide on that. That looks attractive. I'll let you decide. And OTO 3, the automation, all-in-one marketing suite, automated social media sharing, full analytics outsourcers license. And the OTO4 is a 6-fig training. So this is something on top of this, unrelated or in conjunction, we'll say. So 3 advanced training modules, Instagram traffic training, 5-figure product creation, 5 Google Ads advanced training, scale your online business, free and paid traffic trainings, learn remarketing. So this is something that once you get this information, you can apply it to this, but you can apply it to any campaign that you want to use in the future. So this one actually is a lot of value as well. The reseller $297 and the Rankizi, 67, unlimited real backlinks, free buyer traffic. The OTO7 Stock Mojo, so searchable membership, 2+ million HD stock images, 1 million+ ultra HD stock videos. Wow. Okay, so if you are a content creator, this might be something that you want to consider. 8,000+ high quality royalty-free audios, and just keeps going on and on and on. So guys, related to this, I like the OTO1. I think getting the unlimited is a very, very attractive offer. I do like 4. Now that is a little bit different, but with that training, you can use that in any campaign that you want in the future. You're going to learn how to use Google Ads. You're going to get the Instagram traffic. Plus, with all the traffic bonuses that I've sent you, you're going to have loads of information, loads of ways to get eyeballs on your information. And this one is really intriguing, the Stock Mojo. If you want to stop paying or looking for kind of tired of finding low quality images and videos and things like that, this one might be a viable option for you as well. Okay, so just to wrap up, this is just the front end copied right here. So it's the same information, but you guys, there's a lot of very, very compelling things in here that really might help you out making lots of money online. Basically, 1 click, 30 seconds, and then you're done. And remember, if you do want to get PLR Mojo, you want to get it through my link, you're going to get my product Testorama, you're going to get TweetX, you're going to get the Instagram and the Pinterest traffic, you're going to get TikTok, front end, OTL 1, 2, 3, 4 of Nova, my mega bonus bundle, all of Team Black Belts, vendor bonuses as well. And guys, if you did get value from this, I would love it if you liked it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I promise I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you do decide to get it, I have one more treat for you. I will be sending you a thank you email asking you to whitelist my email. And if you do that, I have another bonus that I really like, I got a lot of value from, and I know you're gonna like it as well. All right, you guys, this is PLR Mojo Review. I hope it was helpful. I hope it's gonna help you make a choice whether or not you want to pick it up. And I do like that OTO1, and I like the OTO4, and perhaps that Stock Mojo as well. All right, you guys, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. Kieran Jihad, click that bell button so you're always notified. Best of luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.